Hello friends, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today we are making colorful jewels. This is a color and crystal science experiment. For that the equipments are 2 cups, measuring cylinder, stirring stick and spatula. And the materials are crystal powder, blue color and red color. And I have taken here some water. So let's begin. In the first cup, I am adding 15 ml of water. I am adding 15 ml of water. In the same cup, I am adding red color. 2 drops of red color. Now, in this cup, I am going to add crystal powder. I am going to add the crystal powder. 1 scoop of crystal powder. And I am going to mix it well. Like this. You can see it is turned into a fine powder, a red color powder. Now in the second cup I have measured 25 ml of water and I am pouring it into this second cup. And I am going to add 2 drops of blue color. I am going to add 2 drops of blue color. And I am going to mix it. After mixing this, I am going to add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Like this. I am going to add 1 scoop of crystal powder. And then I am going to mix it. Like this. Now we have to wait for 1 minute and then we'll see 2 different colored jewels. Now 1 minute has passed and you can see the color crystals are there. Both of them are really soft. Just the difference is in the size. So in this experiment what we saw is crystals are getting bigger after 1 minute and the blue crystals are bigger in size than the red ones. Do you know why it is? Because observation is the process when one thing becomes a part of another thing. The crystal powder is made of super-absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process, the powder becomes soft color crystals. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.